outside the box. KAHEIM Dixon. And it is Dixon. What a way to start the new year for KAHEIM Dixon. 4 games, 4 goals, 3 assists. 4 games, 4 goals, 3 assists. What a way to start the year. This youngster has all the eyes on him. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really, really appreciate it. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Again, we'll just another update on KAHEIM Dixon. I don't know. Every game day, we shall most definitely give you guys the updates. I'm gonna show you. He played against Cardiff. He played against Cardiff and they defeat Charlton Athletic U21 played against Cardiff and defeated Cardiff team 6-1. KAHEIM Dixon had 2 goals, 2 assists in that game. I'm gonna play the video so you guys can see it. And we're gonna look at performance, his overall performance, and just look at the other aspects of his games and some stuff that adding to his game. Very, very interesting stuff. And he registered an assist. One of the assists that he registered, I have to say, it was tremendous. Because I was watching game live, I was watching game live. I'm like, whoa, what a brilliant pass. What a brilliant pass. And we'll get in that. So, don't know anything already. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I don't know. Thank you very much again. Really, really appreciate it. Really, thoroughly, thoroughly appreciate the support. All right, so let me see if I can bring that up on right now. Where is it? Uh, where is it? Good. All right, so I'm gonna bring it up, people. We're just gonna discuss it just a little bit. We're just gonna discuss it just a little bit. All right, so good enough. So this is the game. So let's get into it. All right, so this is actually the first assist to the game today. Intercept the pass, one touch pass onto the player. So actually a very good strike. I have to say that's a really, really good strike from the player. We don't know said our youngster KAHEIM Dixon played an integral role there. So we also got this really should also discuss his aspect or his part that he played in the game. This is actually a penalty, blatant penalty. But just wait until his parts come up and just go and enjoy some highlights, and a good save, really good save from goalkeeper. Actually, a very good goalkeeper. Pass around the top here, and I think this is supposed to be one goal. Yes, Poacher's goal. KAHEIM Dixon at the back post. Yeah, and that's his first goal of the game. So far registered 1 assist and 1 goal. A little bit just can carry that back a little bit. More so of a Poacher's goal in the right place, right time at the back. You see? Alright. I go pause something too now. Good. Alright. So someone to look. I don't know if you not see the cursor. I think hopefully not see the cursor. KAHEIM Dixon to the left here. What I want you guys to look at is how he peel off of the defender. Look at how he peel off of the defender. And go to the defender's blind side. You see? Just look at that. Like defender ball watch now. But you don't know, say, we understand it's the youth level. Um, minimize say it might be above the youth level, minimize say that's his level. Um, but this is showing quite a bit of striker's intelligence, a goal poacher. Peel off a defender, lurking at the back post, anticipating the ball to come cross. Here comes the ball. Still lurking at the back post. Even though the striker had a shot, KAHEIM Dixon still was in a good position. Did move. He waited on his opportunity. And when it came, he took it quite nicely. Very nicely. As that. So that's a very good goal, a poacher's goal. I would say. Just have fast forward a little bit. Here comes KAHEIM DIXON again. One touch pass out wide. Get inside the 18-yard box. Defenders doing their job. Need to share that. So we just focus on Charlton attacks. Cross to the back post. That is another brilliant goal. Hey, them youngsters have scored some crazy goal. the, the crazy goal the youngsters are scoring now. Anyways, I think something that come from here. That something should be come from here. Yes. Yes. I think this is one of the goal. Cross. Cuts inside, goes for a shot, ball lift up in here, and KAHEIM DIXON latching on to it. As me say, look at him, waiting, just waiting on his right opportunity. Initially, I thought it was offside until I saw the number 6, basically right in front of the goalkeeper. The ball go up in here. Burst to react to it. Many might say that's a relatively easy goal, but you have to react. You have to be there in the right place at the right time. You have to be there. Um, Another goal creeping. Goalkeeper should have done a little bit better on that, I have to say. Now, here is the pass that I told you guys about earlier. That's a pass. Kind of showing some pace. Look at this now. This is the moment that he's going to look up. Well, he actually never look up still. I'll be serious him look up, Look at that. That's bring it back. Let me see one check. You see exactly when him see the player. Oh, yes, England. Let me see if I can bring it back. I show you in England. I slow down, speed normal. I show you in England. Right, that's England. That's England now. England, eh? Yeah, man. England, eh? Yeah, man. That was a brilliant pass. That was a brilliant, brilliant pass. So, based off what I'm seeing right now, people may tell us really and truly, in game a step up. Him look good. Everything look good. Him look like him ready. No, what's gonna happen? Don't show us yet. Don't show us yet. But I'm like what I'm seeing so far. As I said, 4 games, 4 goals, 3 assists. That's 7 goal contribution in just 4 games. I think Charlton Athletic, I think they're supposed to be like about second on the table right now. I think they're supposed to be about second on the table. Let me see if I can find that. But they're not show me. The app not show me. But at this present moment, he's doing really, really good. So I don't know for every match here, watch out if we can keep up with him. What he's doing, look at certain aspects of his game when he can work on certain things when he can fix, and also discuss when he does well. Big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me just check a little bit Charlton U21. Okay, so they are actually top of the table right now. They're top of the group right now on 11 points. Chelsea is on second in 9 points. So it's a good look. It's a good look. It's a really really good look. And KAHEIM DIXON is pivotal to what is happening right now with this team. So pick up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV out. God bless. Pick up yourself, KAHEIM. Go and put in the work. And I mean, big up, bro.